What is up, you guys? You're watching Sergio's Secret. Before I get started with today's video, if you can please give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe button. I post a video Monday through Friday on contemporary and designer fashion, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any one of my uploads. I'll leave the exact links and the exact color of all the handbags that I'm talking about today, because I know sometimes the colors look a little bit different online, so I will be putting the exact ones down in the description box if you're worried, including what I'm wearing and jewelry if you're ever interested. And today we're going to be talking about Polene, guys. I have a new handbag from Polene that I have added into my collection. I have it right here. But let's take a drawback and let's talk about how did we get to this moment right here. So we'll be talking about the new handbag that I have, but I also will be talking about wear and tear on the other two Polene handbags that I have in my collection. I'm going to be telling you my thoughts and my opinions after having them for quite a bit of a time. I would say I got them around August, right before I went to Denver, and so ever since then I've had them in my collection, and I'll be giving you my honest thoughts and reviews as I've had the bags for many months to kind of give you an updated review on that. My friend's Neutral Fashionista. She has an Instagram account. Me and her are really great friends, and I've actually met her in person, and she is lovely. She posted this picture that she got this one in the beautiful brown color. She added a really pretty chain on there, and I was just living for the moment, and I was like, oh my god, that Polene bag is really nice. And obviously I am in social media. I do kind of look at YouTube videos. I do look at things on my explore page, and I just kind of kept seeing this handbag kind of pop up here and there, and I've always liked it, and I've actually liked all the variations that was. I know there was a white one, the brown one, the black one, and then there's like other variations that they have as well. Polene reached out to me and they told me if I wanted to add another handbag into my collection, and I did. You know, it was the perfect timing. I was already kind of thinking about adding it into my collection. I did really like it, and so that's the point that we are. So handbags were gifted by Polene. I will be 100% transparent about that. I don't work with a lot of brands. I don't work with a lot of people. I'm very much stay in my own lane, and I can count in my fingers how many brands I've even worked with or even spoke with. So I'm very refined, and I really like to have partners and longevity when I work with people. So just keep that in mind. Like, if you watch throughout my entire channel, there's not a lot of brands that I work with, because I try to keep it very refined and what I like to have on my channel, because I only like to provide the best out of the best for you guys, and I wouldn't show you guys something that I really wouldn't use, or something that I don't believe. Disclaimer, because I want to keep it transparent between us, because we're friends and that's what friends do. We like to keep it 100% honest. And so they asked me what handbag do I want to add, and automatically I already knew what handbag I wanted. I wanted the one that Neutral Fashionista had. Like, I wanted to have the handbag that Angelica had. I wanted to have it because I loved it on her. Like, she posted the picture, and I was like, if she has it in her collection, that speaks a lot of volumes, because her handbag collection is really impeccable. She has a Gucci 1955. Like, she has a lot of great handbags in her collection, and if she has it in her collection, she uses it, it means there's value in it. So I went ahead, I picked it out, and I received it like a couple of days ago. I want to say over a week at this point. And so here it is, guys. It is the numero 9, and it came in this really big box. When I first got it, my first impressions of the box, the packaging, was, oh my god, this handbag is so huge. Like I said, I saw Neutral Fashionista have it. Hers, you know, in the picture, it looked a little bit more smaller, and I haven't seen this handbag up close in front here in the DFW area. I've seen it on YouTube, I've seen it on TikTok, I've seen it on Instagram, but I haven't seen it. These two styles I do see quite a lot now here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, but I haven't seen this one, which is the one that I have, the number 9. And so I got the box, I unboxed it in front of my mom. Obviously, you guys know I get a lot of things shipped to my parents' house, just because it gives me a reason to visit them, and I get to play around with my doggy, and I just get to have a good time. So and I was really surprised with how big the handbag was, and it was actually a really good thing, and I'll tell you why I ended up picking that one. But here is the dust bag. All Polene dust bags are actually really great quality. I like it, and I also like that they come with a box. I know in the last video I literally talked about the box for like a hot second. Me gusta que tiene la caja porque I like that it just comes with the whole presentation. Now for me, do I really use the boxes? Not really. If I travel, like when I move to this apartment, I put everything in the box, or if I do have to shoot things, I will put them in the box so there's safety, because trust me, I've tried to squeeze in many items before, and I prefer everything to be very separated out. But in the day-to-day basis, a lot of my handbags are my iconic handbag wall behind me, or they're in drawers, or they're tucked away in where I can still see them and I can still use them. So I do appreciate that they come in the boxes, because a lot of contemporary handbag brands don't really offer boxes, and that goes for handbags that can go over $1,000 or handbags under $1,000. A lot of brands don't even offer boxes, so I appreciate that the Polene handbags do come with boxes, and the presentation is very nice, clean cut, simple, and straight to the point. I do really appreciate that, because I have ordered handbags through department stores, through actual designer websites, and paying such a high price point, and I don't even get a box. Like I said, I don't expect it to be in every single purchase, but it's nice to have a box, because it's just nice to have it so you can store it, and especially when it's great quality like this one. And I'll have the boxes for my other Polene handbags. They're actually really great, and like I said, they're in the closet, and when I need the boxes, they are there, and the dust bags are inside of their corresponding box. I like to have everything out because I get to see where everything is at. And so the reason why I went for this one and not another color, because I thought about getting the tan one, the white one was sold out, because I've been using my Bottega Veneta Jody so freaking much. I love this bag since the moment I got it for Christmas. Like, I've been using it, I've been going back and forth, and I have been really using this, but it is more of a smaller handbag. Yes, if it's the essentials, a card case, my keys, a lip balm, but sometimes I do kind of overstuff this, and I want to have a little bit longevity. Right now I have it stuffed in tissue, and so the reason why I saw a lot of value in this is because sometimes I want my belt, sometimes I want my shoes, sometimes I want the actual outfit or my jewelry to kind of speak out a little bit more, and I like how this is very discreet. If you know that it's Bottega, you know it's Bottega. There's a mirror right here, and so that's why I went for it. That's why I went in black. I love it, and it has a lot of value in my collection. And honestly, out of all my black bags within the last couple of months, this is one of the top ones that I've been using. And like I said, no branding, no logo. Like I said, it's straight to the point, and I love the weaving details. You guys know how much I love Bottega Veneta, and I'll be doing a Bottega Veneta very soon on my channel. I kind of wanted to have that same concept. If I want to add a black bag into my collection that has no branding, no logo, that's very seamless, that goes with everything. I can wear it with blazers, I can wear them with like a top like this, a first piece, I can wear them with a t-shirt, I can just wear it with anything that I want, and it will go, and it will look clean, sophisticated. Everybody had, I want it to be a little bit more different, a little bit refined, and so this is why I ended up choosing this one, the number 9. You know, I wanted to have it, but now that I saw it in person, it was a really more of a larger handbag. So I'll compare this one with the Bottega Veneta Jody. It is quite bigger, but this is still relatively, I would consider this a small bag. I really wouldn't consider this like an extra large bag, or even a medium size. I would still consider this a small bag. The only thing that makes it a little bit bigger is the base here at the bottom. Coach pillow tabby for reference, so you can kind of see the sizing on it. So it's really not that far off from the Coach pillow tabby. Like I said, it's still it's a pretty decent size, but it's not super big, and I'm comfortable wearing it as an everyday handbag. I got it, I started playing around with it, I started having my moments. I've grown to love it a lot more. I have this outfit that I'm planning to wear with it in the summertime. I have this Anina Bing blazer, the Kaya blazer. I recently bought the matching shirt with it. If you guys watch one of my last hauls, I have the rose square toe sandal and an Agoldi bodysuit, and with this bag, chef's kiss. It looks like $1 million with my Celine flat top sunglasses, or with my classic Ray-Bans. Like, I have a lot of outfits with them. I was already styling them with for spring and summer. Once I'm going to start wearing more shorts, or more kind of tank tops, or you know, short sleeve tops, like this is going perfectly, because everything looks super seamless, nothing is popping out, everything just kind of goes together, and that's what I really like about the bag. So I'm going to be giving you what's my bag, what I currently have in it right now, just so you can have a reference of what fits inside of here. So a pair of sunglasses, and these are my Ray-Bans. Actually, I was cleaning my car, and trust me, I don't really clean my car too often, but I found these Ray-Ban sunglasses. They were missing for a hot second. I don't remember the last time I remember me wearing them out. I think when I was in LA, that was the last time in September. So they were in my car for a very long time, and so I have that pair of sunglasses. I have another one. You know, a girl loves optional. Girls really like sunglasses. And then I have these Tom Ford, and these ones are the Jamesons, and I got these ones in November, and you guys have seen me wear this one so many times on Instagram. I love Tom Ford, I love Ray-Ban, I love All Every People, I love Celine. Those are some of my favorite eyewear brands. Prada denim pouch moment right here. It has like a bunch of lip products. Like, I've been going out a lot, like, and one of the things that I love to have are like lip products, so I just have quite a bit of lip products in here. Love this little pouch right here. It fits a pouch, like it fits this little cute Prada pouch in here. And I love a little bit of the denim moment. I've been obsessed with these face masks. I recently added these face masks into my collection. They are the Lily Sedoli, and these ones have lace on them, and I just think they look so cute, so feminine. It literally looks like a piece of lingerie on my face. I'm so here for them. I love them. And then I have this one that's kind of a gingham print with pearls on them, and I like them. I think they're so cute. I think they're so much fun. This reminds me of this Veronica Beard blazer that I used to have. It was called the Veronica Beard Miller blazer. It gives me that kind of fantasy, but in a face mask version. They're really comfortable, they're really nice, and they come in a pack of 3. So I'll leave it linked down below. I think you can still get it on her website, or you can get it through Nordstrom. I have some AirPods in here. I have a pack of gum. This note from Polene, you know, every time I get a note or everything I get something sentimental, I tend to put it in there. So this one says, "Dear Sergio, I hope this finds you well. I'm thrilled to share our numero 9, which is number 9 with you. I hope that you enjoy the craftsmanships and that you get to like it as much as we do. We look forward to having your feedback. Have a lovely day." And so I love that, and that will always be in the handbag. I have my card case right here, and this is a green card case. It is from Go Yard. I have a receipt because I went to Target, and that's pretty much what I have right now in the handbag. So that goes to show you that actually fits quite a lot of stuff. And cuando miras, like, what I like is that it has that kind of slouchy look to it, but it's not really slouchy. Like the leather is still a bit of malleable in it, but it still holds its structure. It has a very kind of comfortable, relaxed leather look to it, but it actually holds its structure. And I think it has to do a lot with the base right here, how it has the stitching across. And so I love it. I love the strap. The strap is removable, but for me, I think I really like it with the strap. You can wear it as a crossbody, you can wear it as a shoulder bag. I've worn it as both. Fits very comfortably, but I will say I do prefer it more as a shoulder bag for myself. And I also love carrying it as a top handle moment. You guys know how much I love a top handle moment. And then on the inside, there is a zipper. Len made in Spain, and it is a gold zipper. And I still have the blue attached on the little magnetic closure. And I love the bag. La mera verdad si me gusta. Like I said, it kind of gives me that value and that Bottega Veneta Jody. But this one's a little bit more practical because I can use it as a crossbody, I can use it as a shoulder bag, and I can fit more than just the plain essentials. Like I said, I wouldn't be able to even carry a sunglass case in the Jody. The sunglass case takes so much space from it. So the fact that I can put 2 sunglasses, because I love options, the fact that I can put the Prada pouch in here, the fact that I can put all my little knickknacks, and I can still fit a little bit more. I know that I'm going to be using this handbag a lot in the spring and summer. Like I said, I've been using it since I've gotten it, and I really have been enjoying it. I want to quickly talk about the other handbags that I have. This one right here, I will say, is one of my favorite OGs. I feel like this is going to be a very classic handbag in my collection. I will never get rid of this. I love this so much, and for me, I love it because back here it has a little cute pocket. You can put a credit card, a debit card, and ID. It fits perfectly. I love the feet at the bottom, and I just love that same thing. You have a little bit of a top handle moment, you have a crossbody, you have a shoulder bag moment. I just love a versatility handbag, and you get to wear it dressed up, dressed down, and kind of make it what you want it to be. This one right here still has a blue protective sticker. This one has not, and it really hasn't gotten a lot of wear on the hardware. It still looks pretty brand new even without the protective sticker on there. On the inside, you can expand it out so you can fit a little bit more. And right there, I just have, see, when something special happens, I tend to keep it in there. This little fortune cookie teller. It says small acts of kindness will be important for you this week. So I have little things like that. I have a little cute hand sanitizer in the back pocket. I have a Starbucks gift card that somebody gave me. I'm kind of weird, trust me. And so I have it left right there. It's lined in fabric, and it's been holding up pretty well, and I have no complaints at all. This handbag, I would say out of all 3 Polene handbags that I have, obviously this one's new. I feel like out of all 3 of them, this one will get the most wear on it over time. But I would say out of these 2 that I have been using this one a lot more. And like I said, every time I wear it, it just kind of brings in a conversation, because a lot of people still don't know what Polene is. Polene isn't really out there. They have no kind of retail space in Texas and this region, so you can only get Polene at the Polene store in France, or you can get it through their website. They're still very small, and I kind of like that because it's a really great price point. It's all of the handbags are under $500. They're very clean, simple, and minimal, which is very much my style. They're made in Spain. The presentation is really great, and the price point, the customer service, and everything I think has been really great. So it's nice. And like I said, every kind of handbag video, and like I said, I don't get paid to talk about it. but like in the fall and the winter, I did my favorite handbags under $500. I talked about this handbag right there, and I have been using it ever since I got it, and I just love it. I love the color that I will use this one in the spring and the summer. I find that I will reach for this one in the springtime as well. This one right here I have been using. I have used her, but I would say I have not used her as much as the other two. I like her, but like I said, I have not really gotten a lot of wear out of her. I would say, like I said, I definitely reach for this one a lot more. As far as the colors, I love the colors, but this classic one, I can never go wrong. You can never go wrong with this bag. Especially, I love carrying it as a top handle moment. But same thing, I like this one because it has versatility, top handle, a shoulder bag, and crossbody. And I like how this one has a thick strap on it. And then the opening, you open it up like this. You just lift it up, and it's open. A suede interior. It has a pocket, and it has a note in here as well. Love it so much. And it has a D-ring right here, and then you can attach any keys or anything that you want to leave right there. So I like the little details on here, but I will say I haven't reached for it as much as I did this one right here. I also have it in my collection because this color goes really well with denim. I noticed this color with denim with the white top, fire, clean cut classic, can never go wrong with. But right now I have been loving this handbag. I've been loving the moment. I love that it's very discreet. I love that it says Polene right there. I like that it's very clean cut class, something different than most other handbags in the market. It goes well, it's gonna pair well with things, and like I said, I cannot wait to bring out my shorts because I have so many shorts. If you watch my last haul, I literally have like 8 hoodie shorts. I bought a pair of Veronica Beard shorts, and I just have so many shorts and so many sandals and loafers that I want to wear with it. So this one will go perfectly well because I can wear shorts, I can wear this top handle, my little blazer or my little tea moment with my sandals out in the summertime with my sunglasses on, and I'm giving you a full summer fantasy moment. I'm living for it, I'm here for it, and I love it. We'll have a lot of value because I found a lot of value in the Jody, and so this one, no branding, no logo. The outfit can really speak for yourself, and this complements whatever outfit I'm wearing. That being said, this is my new handbag from Polene. It is the number 9. I love it so much. We're gonna see how it will wear over time, the wear and tear. Like I said, I'm really impressed with these two that I have in front of me because honestly the wear on them is not bad. The feet is not bad. Everything has been holding up pretty well. You know, usually in light colors like that, usually the corners, the hardware, and right here tends to get the most wear over time. I've set this on the floor, I've set this on the counter, and the corners still look good. Everything has been wearing really well. I've been really impressed with it, and like I said, I expect the same love that I got when I have these two as much as I have this one, or if not even more. And yeah, I would love to hear your thoughts and your opinion on Polene as a brand. Are you here for it? Are you not here for it? Do you love this new style, the Polene number 9? This kind of gives me everything that I'm looking for in a handbag, crossbody shoulder bag, top handle. I can you know, keep it moving, I can wear it. It fits a lot of stuff, but it's still kind of relatively a small bag. Compliments on this handbag since I've worn it, and I just like how it's just very effortlessly and very smooth and absolutely goes with everything. But yeah guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I'll leave the links for everything down below if you are interested in them. Try to respond to all the comments regarding a Polene. Let's keep a Polene conversation down below. We can keep it moving, and yeah, estoy contento con la bolsa. I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of it, and I can't wait for it to be on my iconic handbag wall behind me. I'm gonna be trying to find a space for it. I think I'm gonna move the Prada over there, and then I'm gonna put this next to the Jody, and then behind these Coach bags, that's where these two Polene handbags go. So they all have a space in the handbag wall, versus some other brands, unfortunately, I have to put them in the closet. This one will have a shelving space behind me. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Los quiero mucho. Like I said, I post a video Monday through Friday on contemporary and designer fashion, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any one of my uploads, and I'll see you guys on the next one. And I'm gonna be giving some sickening looks in this Polene handbag, baby. I'm gonna be giving the girls a little Polene handbag moment. This Polene moment, so don't play with me. Don't play with me. I'm gonna put on my glasses, I'm gonna keep it moving. This is how it is. Carry it like that, and I can also wear it as a shoulder bag. Like I said, this is like the perfect size. I love it so much, and I cannot wait to get more wear on it. So if the girls want a Polene moment, we're gonna be giving them a Polene moment.